We just living life right like memories are real with you. Because I am enjoying the luxury. Let me introduce you to the Uber.
There's stuff here. Hey fam, welcome to my channel. In this video I just want to run you guys through 2 weekends in a row, how we spent the weekend, or how I spent the weekend. And here we did come for the Umona People's Association picnic in Indianapolis. Apparently, as usual now, Nike got there late, but it was done in this park, so we're like, oh wow, let's just go check out the park. And the park is so cool, so we just let the kids have fun there, play there. I couldn't make video of the association because we got there late, so there was really nothing to capture because I didn't get there on time. It was a picnic and a cookout, but it was fun. I got to eat some Igbo food that day, but it was fun anyway. So here you just can see the kids are playing. Ariel is having fun. We just had fun, basically. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. If you're just tuning into my channel for the very first time, please do remember to hit the like and the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. So you guys just stay tuned and enjoy the rest of this video. It's such a fun vlog because it was just all fun. It was such a fun weekend, okay? I'll still give you guys a run through. Just stay tuned and enjoy. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow.
Hi guys, so today I brought myself to the pool, myself and my friend. We decided that today we're gonna have a mommy's day on our own without no children, no kids. So okay, hi girl.
Hi, how you doing? You doing all right?
I'm doing good. You're looking so good.
Thank you, baby girl.
You ready for the pool?
I'm ready.
Oh yeah,
I'm ready.
I'm ready too. So guys, we'll see you later. Bye.
Maybe she just 16.
Your phone.
Should I sit down?
Sit down.
To care about what you can't afford. Memories are real what you explore. So just don't be ignored. Go ask for more. Go ask for more. Cause I've been living life.
It's so cute. Oh my god. I'm gonna go found. Shut it.
Flashing red lights, driving at night. Windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines and making this time. Blurry street lights, working the guys. Memories that make it tonight.
Oh my god. It's so cold. Okay, I don't have to bite. We're in there. One more. Yeah, it's so cold. You like it? Oh no, I don't like it. It's so cold. Oh my gosh. Me too, I'm having so much fun, especially not being with kids today. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I'm having the time of my life. Hi guys, so I'm continuing this vlog today. Today we're going for a naming ceremony right now. And then from here we're going to be heading to a 50th birthday party, guys. I'm enjoying the luxury of not driving today. I do have my Uber driver in front and the chauffeur is on the other side of the vehicle. I just want to show you guys everybody in this vehicle because I am enjoying the luxury of sitting down and even having to stretch my legs in the car today. So let me introduce you to the Uber driver and the chauffeur. So guys, anyway, I am on child lock, just so you guys know. There's child lock at the back here, but it's hoping to be fun today, so we'll catch y'all later. Intensely.
Alright guys, as you can see, we have arrived and already the fun has started. You can see we got there really early because we had a second party to attend, and we're just like we were not gonna stay too long. Baby's name is Legend because it was a naming ceremony, obviously, so you can see the color blue, so it was a baby boy. And my favorite part, which is the food part, you can see the effort there. You know, I did like this part. It's always my favorite part. And then obviously I had some catfish pepper soup. And not only that, there are other stuff here. There's fried, there's jollof. Just thought I should run you guys through. There was small chops. Everyone just seated, having fun, waiting for other people to arrive. And we're just having fun. The DJ doing his thing. So much fun, guys. You guys should stay tuned and enjoy. So here we actually have tied our gilly for the second party we are going to. As you guys can see. We're talking whose gilly is finer. I like your no, I like your girls.
Crazy.